Joshua and Puff, SPST 94451, were switching cars by the terminus station as there would be a huge shipment of oil coming in the next morning. Recently, both of the engines heard a myth about the ice cream trucks popping around neighborhoods in the middle of the night. They had to be cautious, even though the victims are mainly human beings.
We're nearly finished. Just get 3 cars on the other track and put them on the 3rd track.
You got it. As Joshua and Puff were nearly finished, they heard something unfamiliar. Do you hear that? It sounds like an ice cream truck.
Oh crap! We gotta be quiet unless you want to get your crew kidnapped. What the hell? I think we should follow that train.
Are you crazy? What if we get kidnapped?
Let's just go. I see some person looking at that train. I hope it isn't what I'm thinking will happen.
I swear, if that person falls into that trap, this confirms the extent that society is dumb as hell.
Oh no, that person is going to that train. I gotta blow my horn.
Shh, you idiot!
Lock in, Puff. We got a kidnapper on the loose.
Aw, piss. Everyone's on it. We gotta run.
Kidnapper on the loose! Everyone stop him!
You're on a section where no one can hear you, stupid.
If this damn ice cream train gets away kidnapping more victims, you're gonna be scrapped like 4450 at the Western Pacific Railroad Museum.
Don't remind me of that. Hey, we gotta get away. I told you we can't go to a populated yard. Shut up. I wanted to keep that secret to ourselves, but now it's exposed.
What the hell are they doing? Typical Joshua.
Oh man, we about to crash.
Oh, damn it! That took me hours to arrange that train! You know what? I'm not having to deal with this. I don't get paid enough for this bull crap.
Hey, you at least saved potential victims from kidnapping. I'm glad we were switching out tonight.